back to my channel. Well, today we are going to solve one more interesting problem from Codechef, which is sum or difference. Actually, there are two more problems before this. The thing is, it's a bit complicated to explain you the logic, so it will take some time for me to make a video on it. Tomorrow, I will upload the solution of seal and receipt. Okay. For now, just focus on the sum. It is one of the easiest problem in Codechef. Okay. Okay. Let's begin this by reading the problem. Okay, the program is all about to take two numbers as input and print their difference if the first number is greater than the second. Otherwise, print their sum. It's quite simple, right? Yeah. Okay, if n1 is greater than n2, then we have to print their difference. If n1 is less than n2, we have to print their sum. It's quite simple. Coming to the input, first line will contain the first number n1 and the second line will contain the second number n2. Output a single line containing the difference of two numbers n1 minus n2 if the first number is greater than the second number, otherwise output their sum n1 plus n2. Okay, coming to the constraints, n1 may ranges from minus 1000 to plus 1000 and n2 also ranges from minus 1000 to plus 1000. If we observe here sample input, there are two numbers given 82 and 28. So as 82 is greater than 28, we have to display their difference. If 28 is less than 82, for example, if they are replaced, in the first number if there is 28 and in the second number if there is 82, we have to print their sum. That's it. Okay, let's write code. Coming to the coding part, there are no test cases this time. All we need to take is n1 and n2 as input. So n1 equal to end of input, n2 equal to end of input. If n1 greater than n2, print n1 minus n2. We have to print their differences, right? Else print n1 plus n2. Yeah, let's give custom input. And check whether the program is working or not. Yes, what if the input is replaced? You have to print their sum, right? Yes, it's working. Okay, we can even do like this. I mean, as I did yesterday, I will print this in one line. If n1 greater than n2, else yeah, I can do like this as well. Let's check whether it's working or not. If it's working, okay, what I did. Okay, I have to keep minus here and plus here. Sorry. Yes. And now, if I submit the code, we'll wait until it gets submitted. I don't know why it's taking too much time and just for me. I have no idea. Come on. If I refresh it, I may lose the code. Oh, yes. It's done. Yeah, we have done this in just 3 lines, right? So if you like the video, then hit that cute little like button because that motivates me to make more interesting technical stuff for you. And tomorrow I'll definitely make a video on seal and receipt problem, which is a bit complicated for you to understand. So for that, I have to do some animations in my video to make you understand the logic. So it will take some time for me to make it. So I did this because it's very easy for you to understand. So tomorrow I'll definitely upload that video, and if you have any doubts, if you have any queries, you can ping me on Instagram, or you can even comment me on YouTube. I will always be there to help you out, to solve your errors, to solve your problems. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from me. Thank you.